Most office workers choose laptop over their PC because they're mostly on high mobility and need to keep up with their work at the same time. On today's video, we have listed some recommended 13-inch laptops for office workers. Microsoft Surface Laptop 3 comes with 13.5-inch screen configurations. This laptop from Microsoft is claimed to be very easy to carry around. It is also equipped with a 10th generation Intel Ice Lake processor, which is able to provide good enough performance to support various computing activities related to office tasks. Apple MacBook Pro 13. If you have more money, you choose this Apple MacBook that comes with very high specifications and has a high mobility. This laptop also widely used by professionals to work on their tasks that require serious computing activities. Huawei MateBook X Pro. This laptop from Huawei is known for its specs and features. It also has additional GPU support, which is sufficient enough to support multimedia activities. Dell XPS 9370. This laptop from Dell comes with 13-inch screen configurations combined with qualified specifications. If you are looking for a new laptop with powerful specs and easy to use anywhere you go, you can consider this laptop from Dell. HP Envy 13. Comes with qualified GPU support. This laptop from HP is perfect for those who work on creative industry, especially for those who have to deal with graphics. The performance of this laptop is supported by an 8th generation Intel Core i7 processor.